So here I'll be planning the week, the second week? Yeah, the second week of January. I'm doing this voiceover way later than I planned to, and also releasing the video a lot later, hopefully tomorrow. So I'm recording this the night before uploading it. Probably go through midnight because I waited till after everyone was sleeping because everyone's been making noise, which is why I need to do a voiceover. I'm tired. And I also filmed 2 videos today, so it's been a busy day. Um, this week I just used stickers that were like left over in my sticker book. I don't really want to design kits especially for my weekly planner. I like doing it for my memory planner, but for this I just kind of want to just use what I have, which is why I asked for more sticker books for my birthday. But anyway, so just laying down washi. Now, since I recorded my last video, first of all, I recorded that video way ahead of time because of Christmas and all that. So, since Christmas, I met someone, and he's my boyfriend, and yeah, so that's a thing. Um, so my life has actually changed quite a bit because like having a boyfriend is kind of a big change, and like going on dates and things is like things I actually do now. And what we usually do is he lives in the same area but quite a bit away. So to save petrol, I will just like spend the weekend there, or he'll spend the weekend here. So my weekends are now very full. And yeah, so my playback is struggling a lot. So I might not be able to tell you exactly what's going on, like talk about what's going on. And part of the reason it's doing this is because I'm using my old laptop to do the voiceover on this. Because my new laptop, there's a problem with my headset and my new laptop, and uh, it's just a whole thing. So I'm just trying to get things done. Um, Over the weekend, I'll probably borrow my boyfriend's headset and just batch voiceover. I've heard of batch filming. I haven't heard bird. I can't talk right now. I'm quite tired, but I need to do this. um, I've heard of batch voice. I've heard of batch filming, but not of batch voiceovers. So that's something I'll be doing. Um, yeah, it's just like totally frozen for me. I sincerely hope the final isn't this way. Well, if it is, then I'll just do all this over again. Yay! But anyway, I also had to change my uploading schedule and all that. So from now on, this video will be coming out on a Friday, but from now on, the next week, I should be uploading every Tuesday and Thursday. It just suits me better and just makes things easier for me. So that's what I'll be doing. Um, the first, the Tuesday video should be my weekly plan with me, and the second video will be like my monthly plan with me, or speed paint, or something else. But yeah, so yeah, it's just totally frozen. Anyway, Oh, there. I'm adding the date covers, I guess you can call them. But anyway, um, so it's a funny story of how we met. So my ex and I were good friends, and they, fuck, they, um, wanted to do online dating, and they were showing me OkCupid, and I was really impressed by like how you could like put your sexuality and how many options there were for your sexuality and for your preferences and all that. So I was like, I'm just gonna try this out just for fun, you know? Just I'm not really looking for anything. I'm really not taking this seriously. On that first day, this guy messages me. We just hit it off, and yeah, and then yeah, we we were on Discord for hours and hours, you know, to the early morning, and then we had our first date, which was on New Year's Eve. It was actually planned for New Year's Day, but we were both so excited we moved it to New Year's Eve. um, and we went on a coffee date, and then he came back to my place. What did we do? We, I'm really tired. Uh, I'm going to say that a lot. I apologize in advance. Um, we played, we bought some games, I think. Then we watched a series. Oh, no, we watched a movie. Actually, watched this really nice cartoon. Yeah, Next Gen. That's what it was called. Really cute movie. Really loved it. His recommendation. Um, and then I was like, I'm gonna invite him to stay till midnight because I've always wanted to kiss someone at midnight, and I didn't really want him to go. So we had pizza, and then we did some stuff like relationship, like yeah, I know we kind of got ahead of ourselves, but it's because like we both really know what we want and all that. But anyway, we did an exercise my therapist gave me, a SWOT analysis on the relationship. SWOT is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So we did that analysis thing. And then kissed at midnight. It was wonderful. And then he left. And then I went to sleep. But yeah, so that was wonderful. Since then, I've spent 2 weekends at his place. This weekend, he'll be coming here. So, because it's my nephew's birthday party, which you'll probably hear about in my next plan with me. Um, and he's been invited, and it's just easier if he comes here straight after work than going back home and then driving here. Um, so yeah, he'll stay the weekend. Not as convenient as uh, not as convenient as his place because there's actually like a bed and stuff. Here it's just a couch. Um, but yeah. So, uh, yeah. And I'm excited for my birthday. There's lots of things that will be happening, which I'll probably talk about either in the next plan with me or in the plan with me that's for my birthday, which will come out after my birthday, which is probably better because then like people can't Like, not that I think I'm nearly close to enough people knowing about me that this is even a possibility, but it lowers the possibility of somebody like just randomly showing up at my birthday party. So, yeah. Um, I honestly thought that I would have more to talk about, but because I'm so tired, I'm just struggling. So, I might just go edit this and make it shorter, the video itself, because like I said, I can't see what's happening um at all, which is amazing, you know. But yeah, uh, I also started college again. Fun. It is actually fun. Now I'm talking with the consultant about getting a scholarship or bursary and talking about starting my degree in the second semester. And yeah, it's just a lot that's happening at the moment. Like, I'm so excited and nervous about all this, especially putting it all out there, that I'm shivering. One thing that did happen that I don't really want to admit to the internet and to planner people is because I was so distracted by my boyfriend around the end of the year when I had planned to do my goal planning, I still haven't done most of my goal planning, which kind of bothers me, but like I'm also doing a lot of future planning at the moment, and like I think that when I have some time, I'll just catch up with that. I also have a lot of design work to catch up on, but that's because being distracted and after taking like a little bit of a time off with my family around Christmas where I didn't do any work, getting back into doing work has been really difficult, which is why this video is coming out so late and all that. Okay, I think if I stand up, I might stop shivering so much. It's something I do when I get very nervous and stuff. It's like, I don't know. Why am I even talking about this? I do not know. But yeah, um, my boyfriend is a software developer. I guess I can talk a bit about him. I did check with him before the time. Um, yeah, so he works all week, which is why we do things on the weekend. Because, like, I'm a bit more flexible. Like, I still have college, but my college is very flexible, so I can do it any time that kind of suits me, except on the weekend, actually. So I have the ability to do that. But yeah, I think I'm just going to end the voiceover here. If there's still a video left, enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Sorry for this very awkward video, but the next one I hope will be better. Bye.